Alright, so we are down at the pier, just not too far away from my house now. Doing a little morning walk down to this pier. Hopefully nobody's on it so we can get a good look at the water. Haven't been down here in years, man. It's been years since I've been down here. Since my night of overdosing on PCP, I haven't returned back here. My house is just that way, where I'm facing where the sun is. It looks like there's nobody on the pier today. Yeah, you look at that water view. Looks like they changed this pier up from the last time I was out here. They rebuilt this pier. So we are here, guys, where all the gangs come out at. About that view, guys, close to the Hatchie River. Of course, that way that I'm facing, which is where the railroad track goes, where I live. So the night I OD'd on PCP, I was sitting about right here where I'm filming at, and left my fishing pole and everything here. So, yeah. Doesn't really bother me now, but it's changed a lot since I last was out here. Look at that view, guys. Look at that view. The calm before the storm. Of course, they did a lot of work to this pier. I think this even, oh wow, I think that latch right there even opens, so you can swing that open. All the graffiti that's on this pier and everything. Whew. Alright, man, I'm gonna head home now. Just figured I'd come out here and do a little bit of videoing of the water, because I've always wanted to do this, but there's always been people out here and wasn't able to do it. Pretty cool. Of course, my way home is over there. Not at that house right there, but on that street. So, alright, now this long walk. Let's do this.